Born of two worlds, young and unsure, a gentle heart yet tried by fire, called by Paul, taught in the Word, to guard the faith and never tire. Through Corinth's trials, through prison's door, he stood when churches shook with fear. Let no one scorn your youth, he heard the voice of God was drawing near. Faithful sons of Paul, chosen by grace, carrying the gospel to every place. In weakness and courage, in trials and strife, they poured out their hearts for the sake of Christ. Saints Timothy and Titus, bold and true, teach us to live the faith anew. In Ephesus he took his stand, with trembling voice yet steady flame. Not by his strength, but by the Lord, he preached and bore the holy name. With fragile health and timid ways, the Spirit burned within his soul. A shepherd formed by love and trust, a faithful servant